Hey guys. Today I am going to show you guys how you can set up channel points to allow your viewers to send you a TTS message. I'll also be showing you a few cool things about our dashboard at the end. Before getting started, I do want to say this does require you to be a Twitch affiliate. Non-affiliates are unable to create custom channel rewards at this time. Sorry. Anyways, we're going to have Justin explain how to set up your TTS bot.
Alright, thanks Brian. Let's jump right into it. The first thing we want to do is get signed up on rewardtts.com. I recommend signing in with Twitch. You will have to link your Twitch account if you choose Twitter or sign up directly. Once signed in, you'll see your dashboard. This is where you can manage your TTSs directly. If you scroll down, this is where you can find all of the bot commands you can use in your Twitch channel. But what we want to do is, tell the bot to join our channel by clicking this Join Channel button here. Once you click that, you'll notice the status changed here. Next, you want to open your channel's chat, and the first thing we'll have to do is grant moderator privileges to the bot. This way it can talk in follower and sub-only modes. So I'm going to type /mod, reward TTS. Now we type !TTS about, and if the bot is in the channel it will give you an about message. The next step we need to do is create a channel reward for TTS. We can do that by clicking on your icon in the top right hand corner of Twitch, then clicking Creator Dashboard. From here, we want to click on Community on the left hand side, then Channel Points. The next thing we'll do is click Manage Rewards and Challenges. This will show you all of your channel rewards. What we want to do is, click on Create a Custom Reward. You can name your reward whatever you like. I'll just use free TTS for mine. For the description, I like to let my viewers know which multi-voices I have enabled, so I'm going to copy-paste the link from my dashboard to show where they can see that. Make sure you have Require Viewer to enter text turned on. For the cost amount, it's up to you. If you want a higher community engagement, set the cost lower. JCG uses 150 channel points for hers, I'll use 100 for mine. The reason I chose 100 points is, Twitch will give someone 300 points for following my channel. So if they follow me, they get to send 3 free TTSs to my stream. Some people keep theirs around 1 or 2,000. Some keep theirs at 50. It all depends on how often you want to hear TTS messages. I'll change the background color as well. You generally want to leave skip reward request queue and limit redemption per stream off. Okay, now that we have the reward created, let's link the bot. Head back to your chat by clicking on your icon in the top right, then clicking Channel. Now click your channel rewards icon like this, then click the icon to the reward you just created. Type !TTS link in that field and hit enter. If everything went well, you should get a notice saying the reward was linked, and a copy of your link for the browser source. If there was any errors, check to make sure you didn't select one of the default rewards that Twitch provides. The bot is not compatible with these rewards. You must use a custom reward. The last thing we're going to do is create the browser source in our OBS. I'll show you how to do that in OBS first, and then after that we'll also add it in Streamlabs OBS. With OBS open, you'll want to click the plus symbol below Sources. Next, click Browser. Make sure it has Create New selected. Then I would name it TTS or Text to Speech. Then click OK. Next, in the URL field, copy and paste your browser source from your chat when the reward was linked, or from your dashboard at rewardtts.com. Now with this part, there is 2 ways you can do this. You can have this browser source on each scene, or you can add it to your start scene. I recommend just having one on your start scene and making sure shutdown source when not visible is unchecked. The alternative if you need it on every scene is to add it with shutdown source when not visible checked, otherwise it will echo like crazy. Then you just need to copy paste it to every one of your scenes. I just have one scene on this Mac, so I'm just going to add it here with shutdown source when not visible, unchecked. With that added, go ahead and head back to your dashboard, then click Send Test to OBS. If everything added properly, you should hear Brian say, "This is a test message." Next I'll show you how to add in Streamlabs OBS. It's pretty much the same as vanilla OBS. To the right of sources, click the plus symbol. Then choose browser source on the left hand side, and click add source on the bottom right. Make sure you have add a new source at the bottom selected. Then I would name it TTS or text to speech. Next, in the URL field at the top of this window, copy paste your browser source from your chat when the reward was linked, or from your dashboard at rewardtts.com. Again, with this part there is two ways you can do it. You can have this browser source on each scene, or you can add it to just your start scene. I recommend just having one on your start scene and making sure shutdown source when not visible is unchecked. The alternative, if you need it on every scene, is to add it with shutdown source when not visible checked, otherwise it will echo like crazy. Then you just need to copy paste it to every one of your scenes. I just have one scene on this Mac, so I'm just going to add it here with shutdown source when not visible, unchecked. With that added, go ahead and head back to your dashboard, then click Send Test to OBS. If everything added properly, you should hear Brian say, "This is a test message." And we're done. You will want to test a reward by using the reward we created and send a message through chat, with your OBS open.
Testing 123. L_.
One last thing I want to point out is the dashboard functionality. You can pause, play, and skip TTS directly from here. So for example, you can open rewardtts.com on your phone and use your phone like a stream deck. There is also a button on here that will keep your screen awake so it's always ready and available. Make sure your phone is charging if you keep your screen awake. To make changes like changing your default voice, or even adding and removing multi-voices, you can visit the bot settings. Multi-voices are voice names people can type in their message to change the voice on the fly. Thanks guys, back to you Brian.
These are some good drugs. Oh, hey you, I wasn't expecting you back so soon. Alright, before you go I'd like to share a little about our bot and website. Right now we are in an open beta where we are not charging for TTS, but keep an eye on our Discord to see changes. We do have to pay for TTS, so we normally charge a monthly fee with character limits. A character is any letter, number, or symbol that gets sent through TTS. When the open beta does end we will have plan structure. All plans have all of the benefits, so we only charge you what we're charged for characters and servers. And in doing so allows us to use professional resources that you will very rarely have issues with. Thanks for watching and joining us here at rewardtts.com. Remember to check the Discord regularly for updates and helpful community building guides.